What is the best camera under $1,000 in 2026? Finding the best camera under $1,000 in 2026 is easier than ever because camera technology has improved dramatically over the past few years. Cameras that would have been considered professional grade a decade ago are now available at entry-level prices. For most buyers, the challenge is no longer finding a good camera, but deciding which camera offers the best balance of image quality, autofocus performance, video capabilities, lens options, and long-term value. Whether you are a beginner photographer, aspiring YouTuber, traveler, or hobbyist looking to upgrade from a smartphone, there are several outstanding cameras available for less than $1,000. The most important thing to understand is that image quality differences between modern cameras are often smaller than people expect. Nearly every camera in this price range can produce professional-looking photographs. The real differences come down to autofocus performance, ease of use, video features, lens selection, and how well the camera fits your specific needs. For most buyers, a mirrorless camera is the best investment, because mirrorless systems represent the future of photography and receive the majority of new lens and accessory development. For overall value, the Canon EOS R50 stands out as the best camera under $1,000 for most people. This compact mirrorless camera combines excellent image quality, outstanding autofocus, beginner-friendly controls, and strong video performance in an affordable package. The 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor produces sharp, detailed photographs with attractive colors and excellent dynamic range. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system is one of the camera's biggest strengths. It can automatically detect and track people, animals, birds, and vehicles with impressive accuracy, making it incredibly easy for beginners to capture sharp photos. The camera's lightweight design, intuitive menu system, and fully articulating touchscreen make it especially appealing to first-time camera buyers. For someone moving beyond smartphone photography, the EOS R50 offers one of the smoothest learning curves available, while still delivering image quality that far exceeds most phones. Another excellent option under $1,000 is the Sony ZV-E10. Particularly for users interested in video creation and YouTube content. Sony designed this camera specifically for creators, and it excels in situations where video performance is a priority. The camera offers exceptional autofocus, excellent subject tracking, high-quality video recording, and access to Sony's extensive E-mount lens ecosystem. One of Sony's biggest advantages is the sheer number of lenses available from both Sony and third-party manufacturers, such as Sigma, Tamron, and Viltrox. This allows photographers and videographers to expand their system affordably over time. The ZV-E10 II is especially attractive for vloggers because its autofocus can smoothly track faces and eyes while recording, helping creators maintain sharp focus without constantly adjusting settings. For photographers who want a more traditional camera experience, the Nikon Z50 II deserves serious consideration. Nikon has long been respected for producing cameras that help photographers learn and grow their skills. The Z50 II combines excellent image quality with comfortable ergonomics and physical controls that encourage users to explore manual photography. The camera feels more substantial in the hand than many entry-level models, and its electronic viewfinder provides a shooting experience that many photographers prefer. Nikon's color reproduction is excellent, and the camera performs particularly well for landscapes, wildlife, and travel photography. While Nikon's lens ecosystem is not quite as extensive as Sony's, the Z system continues to expand and offers many high-quality options. The Fujifilm X-M5 offers a different approach for photographers who value creativity and portability. Fujifilm has built a loyal following by focusing on the enjoyment of photography, Rather than simply chasing technical specifications, the XM5 features Fujifilm's popular film simulation modes, which allow photographers to create beautiful images straight out of the camera without extensive editing. Travel photographers, street photographers, and hobbyists often appreciate Fujifilm's unique color science and retro-inspired shooting experience. The camera is compact enough to carry almost anywhere, making it ideal for capturing everyday moments without feeling burdened by a large camera bag. For those seeking maximum value, the Canon EOS R100 remains one of the least expensive ways to enter a modern mirrorless system. Although it lacks some of the advanced features found on the EOS R50, it still produces excellent image quality and provides access to Canon's growing RF lens lineup. For someone on a strict budget, the R100 offers a significant upgrade over smartphone photography, while leaving room in the budget for additional lenses and accessories. When evaluating cameras under $1,000, it's important to consider the entire system rather than just the camera body. A camera is only part of the investment. Lenses often have a greater impact on image quality than the camera itself. A slightly less expensive camera paired with a high-quality lens will frequently outperform a more expensive camera using a basic kit lens. This is why Sony's extensive lens ecosystem and Canon's expanding RF system are important factors for long-term value. Video creators should also consider features such as microphone inputs, flip screens, autofocus performance during recording, and overheating management. Modern cameras in this price range are capable of producing video quality that rivals professional equipment from only a few years ago. Many YouTubers and content creators successfully build entire channels using cameras that cost well under $1,000. For travel photographers, size and weight may be more important than raw performance. A camera that stays at home because it is too bulky provides less value than a smaller camera that you carry every day. Cameras like the Fujifilm XM5 and Canon EOS R50 strike an excellent balance between portability and performance, making them ideal companions for vacations, hiking trips, and everyday photography. The reality is that there is no single perfect camera for every person. The best camera under $1,000 depends on your goals. If you want the best all-around camera that combines simplicity, image quality, autofocus, and future growth potential, the Canon EOS R50 is the strongest overall recommendation. If your primary focus is video and content creation, the Sony ZV-E10 II is difficult to beat. If you want to learn photography in depth and prefer traditional controls, the Nikon Z52 is an outstanding choice. If you value creativity, portability, and beautiful colors straight out of the camera, the Fujifilm XM5 is a compelling option. For most buyers in 2026, however, the Canon EOS R50 remains the camera that offers the best overall balance of features, performance, ease of use, and value under $1,000. It is beginner-friendly enough for first-time photographers, yet powerful enough to satisfy enthusiasts for years to come, making it one of the smartest camera purchases available today.